Sanbonani, boys and girls. Today's sound is S for Sanbonani. Sanbonani means hello everyone in the language isiZulu. And let us go to Letterland and find out which character makes the sound S.
Letterland, Letterland, there could be no better land for meeting a duck, a man with a hat, an orange or two, and a clever old cat. So let's go to Letterland, Letterland, Letterland. Walter Walrus Wetterland meets slithering Sam, a king who can kick, a quarrelsome queen, or make noisy Nick. So let's go to Letterland. Let's go to Letterland today.
Sammy Snake says S. Sammy Snake says S.
Sammy Snake says in words, hissing all the time. Sammy Snake says in words, hissing all the time. Hissing with a s, s, hissing with a s. Sammy Snake says in words, he's hissing all the time. Sammy Snake says in words, hissing all the time. Sammy Snake says in words, hissing all the time. Hissing with a s, s, hissing with a s. Sammy Snake says in words, he's hissing all the time.
Sammy Snake likes to keep things simple, so we are going to learn how to write the letter S. So finger on the green dot, curve back, clever cat, forward and back and stop at the red dot. One more time, finger on the green dot, curve back, clever cat, forward and back and stop at the red dot. Today, Mrs. Reed is so excited because she will be reading us a story about Sammy Snake.
Sammy Snake is having a lovely time by the Letterland swimming pool. Sammy loves sunbathing, but he is always careful to put on sun cream when he's in the sun. The sun is so bright today, he may even have to put on his sun hat and sunglasses so he doesn't have to squint. Sammy loves swimming too. He likes to splash in the sea or slide into the swimming pool. Afterwards, he has a sandwich and settles down to do some more sunbathing. All the splashing and sliding around has made Sammy quite sleepy. Soon he will be snoozing in the sun. Who can you see splashing in the pool? Who's that on the sand by the sea?
Sammy Snake is such a simple sound to remember. This is why our lesson was super fast. To end it off today, we can all go outside and play some soccer. And soccer begins with the sound S. Very nice. Enjoy your day. Goodbye.